Good morning, friends. I am Alpesh sir from well-known institution Arihant Coaching. I am with the new video for class 9 mathematics exercise 11.2. It is question 2. Friends, here I am explaining question 2 a little bit different from question 1. In question 1 we are given sum of the measures of two sides, and here we are given difference of measures of two sides. See, construct triangle ABC in which BC is 8 cm, angle B 45 degree, AB minus AC 3.5 cm. See friends, here we are given angle B and AB is greater. So here we are given AB greater than AC. So this instruction we have to understand. When we are given AB, first line greater than the second side of the triangle, then we should remember that angle should be drawn upside. And if AB is smaller than AC, then the arm of an angle must be downwards. The next construction is like that. So in next construction I will explain what is the difference between this second and the third question. Okay, so first I will draw BC 8 cm. Here it is BC 8 cm. First I have to draw BC is equal to 8 cm. So this is BC 8 cm. B and C 8 cm line segment. Now angle B is 45 degree. According to the angle yesterday, whatever we had done, the same angle we have to do here, 45. Taking random measurement, I will construct a semicircle arc like yesterday, then 90 degree angle and then half. It is 60. It is another 60, it must be extended, then it is 90. But friends, we do not need 90 degree, so we need only a point. So here we can say it is C. We have to join B and C with the dotted line. Here B and C with the dotted line. And here we can say it is D. Now we should get 45 degree angle, so half of 90 degree. We will draw half of 90. Take more than half of 90 degree this way. One arc from this point, the other arc from D, not from this 60 degree. Maximum students make mistake. So mind well friends, from D other arc must be drawn. It is 45 degree. So 45 degree angle, and here we can say is E. We have to join B and E. B and E. It is a ray BE. Then on ray BE we need the point having 3.5 centimeter measurement. So I will get the point 3.5 centimeter from B. So this is 3.5 centimeter from B. I have cut an arc like this. Where both the arc and ray meet, we can say it is F. It is 3.5 centimeter. Join F and C. We have to join F and C. So this F and C I have joined. Now we have to draw perpendicular bisector of F and C. We have to draw perpendicular bisector of F and C. I will extend a little bit to this ray so that the line segment must be in a proper sense. It is extended. Now I have to construct a perpendicular bisector of F and C. Friends, I have to construct a perpendicular bisector of F and C. For that, take more than half measurement. See, from F, draw two arcs. First arc upward, second arc downward. So beta, you have to keep arcs in your mind. Then from C we have to cut the arcs. Beta, you can see this arc is not for our main arc. So here it is from C, here it is from C. If it is not intersect, then once again we have to take arc from F, it will extend. So where both the arcs meet, we have to give the name. It is G and H. We have to join GH in such a way it will intersect the 45-degree angle at A. So this G and H, it will meet at A. Here it is A. Now join A and C. A and C we have to join. So ABC is our required triangle. This ABC is our required triangle. You can see. Is it clear, friends? How have I done? Once again, I would recap it. First, I have to draw BC 8 centimeter. Then we have to construct 45-degree angle. How have I constructed 45-degree? By taking random measurement semicircle. This is 60 degree. It is another 60. Here one arc. From here other arc. Join C and B. Intersect semicircle at D. Now take the measure of D and this more than half. One arc from this point. Another arc from D. Where both the arcs meet, it is E. Then join B to E ray. It is 45 degree. Now get point F on ray B to E such that B to F, it is 3.5 centimeter. BF. Now join F and C. Friends, F and C we have to join and draw perpendicular bisector from F and C, and this bisector will meet the ray BE at A. Then join AC. So ABC is our required triangle. I hope you understand this construction. You have to repeatedly watch this video. Now I will give the points. Here are the points. First, number 1, draw BC is equal to 8 centimeter. Number 2, draw angle EBC is equal to 45 degree. Number 3, get a point F on the ray BE such that BF is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Number 4, join FC. Number 5, draw a perpendicular bisector of FC that intersects the ray BE at A. Number 6, join AC. Hence, triangle ABC is a required triangle. I hope you understand this construction and keep practicing. I will just come with the new video for new construction. Till then, goodbye.